Do you think you're good at grammar? Let's find out.
Do you want to speak English with more confidence? Welcome to Learning with Mz Dee, the channel where English becomes simple, clear, and practical. Here, you will learn everyday English, useful vocabulary, correct pronunciation, a simple grammar you can actually use in real life.
If you can answer these 10 grammar questions, each covering a different grammar rule.
Whether you're a beginner or improving your speaking skills, each lesson is explained step by step at your own pace.
Zina said, "I enjoy playing football." Or Zina said that she enjoys playing football. This is Leslie reporting the message of the speaker.
No stress, no confusion, just clear English learning. Subscribe to Learning with Mz Dee. Turn on notifications and start improving your English today.
Check out my website at www.isproga.com.ng for more lessons. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye.